Owners of India's top-selling whiskey, Officer's Choice, are now looking beyond the flagship brand. In fact, now that its long-standing dispute with United Spirits over Officer's Choice has been finally settled, Allied Blenders and Distillers is turning its focus on expansion and, in fact, to fund its growth plans. ABD is eyeing 500 crores through private equity tie-ups. Kritika Saxena has this exclusive.
Deepak Roy, who took over as CEO of Allied Blenders and Distillers in 2001, is in high spirits. Over the last 10 years, he has managed to make the company India's third largest liquor firm and is now hunting for private equity players to raise up to 500 crore rupees to fund further expansion.
We have appointed a merchant banker, which is Ambit Corporate Finance, and Ambit is going to help us raise some private equity funds. We are looking at raising around 500 crores. We need this for to grow our existing businesses, launch new brands, and also create some in-house distillation and bottling capacity.
So, what's the growth plan? ABD's flagship brand, Officer's Choice, contributes to over 90% of its business. Its growth has helped ABD grow by 14% in revenues, higher than the industry average of 4%. However, other brands like its vodka offering Class 21 have been struggling, and that's what ABD wants to focus on now.
ABD's biggest weakness over the last 3-4 years has been that we are pretty much a 1.5 brand company. The plan is now to premiumize the portfolio and have a representation in almost all the segments.
But with the Diageo and United Spirits deal done, the industry seems to be gearing up for consolidation, not to mention more competition. Roy, who has in the past worked for both UB Group and Diageo, however, appears unperturbed.
Both these are multinationals with deep pockets, and I think consolidation would help us. So we'd be happy to look at driving some kind of consolidation.
In fact, some analysts say further consolidation and growing brand consciousness could ultimately turn the liquor industry into a big boys game. But for now, the immediate challenge is the lack of regulatory clarity in the sector, which has kept pricing of products on an unsure footing. In Mumbai, Kritika Saxena.